didn't see me, but here I am, Content Master 64. I've been on the hunt now for 84 days, looking for some JDM content. And it's hard, man. It's really hard. Oh my God, do you see it? Do you see it? You gotta be quiet. They'll know. They'll know. Through the trees. Look, I see an S chassis. Oh, a JZX chassis. We do not want them to know. Don't tell them. This is a secret spot. No one knows, okay? No one. Oh my God. So many trucks, okay.
Welcome to today's video, guys. Waifu's with us, and we just had a quick visit from Content Master 64. Great dude, seriously. Anyways, we were at a very special place today. We were actually in a place called Koriyama, which is actually only about like 30 to 40 minutes away from Ebisu Circuit. It's really close and just around the corner. And there's a really cool workshop here that I want to show you. Actually, it is literally, I would have to say, the dream workshop to own if you lived in Japan and were into cars and drifting. Seriously, the sickest place ever. Let's go take a look. Woo! So starting off at the front here of the workshop, you can see they've got a really nice line of cars here. Some of these are for sale, some of these are customers' cars, but they are really, really cool. 4-door 34, has Brembos on it, so the GTR upgraded brakes, which is sick. Really cool pink 180. You've been looking for a drift car, haven't you? The most important thing though for you is that it needs to have an SR, right? Does it have an SR? I'm not looking.
It's SR.
Yo, that is clean. This thing's tubbed as well. Damn, yo, the HKS mod there. Very cool car. Yo, look at the valve covers, flowers in it, and look, all the shiny glitter stuff. Yeah, this thing's actually sick. Front mount intercooler up there as well. That's very cool. I like that. All right, let's put that back down there. This interior is kind of great. This was totally like a drifter girl's car. Yo, side exit exhaust? That's cool. Anyways, let's continue. Zenki? Zenki or Koki? Which one?
Zenki.
Zenki? Good job, babe. Yeah, and the eyelids didn't fool you. Good stuff. Nice. JZX 100. I like this gray. Ooh, it's getting a bit, it's had a bit of action. Very cool. Oh, look, it's got that Tsurikawa. Tsurikawa, my bad. This one, nice white chaser. This is nice. Some very nice bride seats in the front there, carbon fiber hood. Ooh, do not fall off the edge there. Very nice. Wide body, S15. Well, how's it go? Ichigo gang. That's it. All right. So much cringe this episode, guys. Really nice Mark II here. Yo, actually, this S15 is clean. Big Wang game. Exactly what you love. Hell yeah. Some cool cars. And then it kind of continues over here. So I think now's a good time to talk about where we are. We are at Side X Japan, otherwise known as the Sideways Experience. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys who are into drifting or have been to Ebisu know about these guys because they have a bunch of rental cars that you can rent and drift at Ebisu with. And things have kind of leveled up from there for them. Now they offer services and support and all this kind of stuff at Ebisu Circuit, car storage and so many other wonderful things, and they have so many incredible plans for the future. It's honestly so exciting. But they also have some really, really cool cars here. May, what is the first car that I want to show them in this yard? Can you guess?
Sylvia.
No. That is one of them. That thing is seriously the cleanest Sylvia ever. But another car, something that I recently built in the USA.
Oh, Miata.
There's no Miatas in Japan. Roadster. But these are actually not Roadsters or Miatas. They're MX-5s. Do you know why they're MX-5s?
No.
Because they came from Australia.
Oh.
These two cool cars, these two cars are really cool. We got an NA and an NB. One of them's turboed, and one of them I think is NA. Super cool little race cars. I don't know too much information on them. All I know is they look super, super cool. And it's just awesome to see these things here. Hopefully we get to see these out on track soon. But it's just cool to see like two Miatas. Let's just call them Miatas. They're the same thing.
Same thing.
Same thing.
I got it right.
Nice little K truck. Big loader truck. Hachiroku. This thing is so cool. Man. This Evo is crazy. I wonder if they do like grip training with this. I'll have to find out. Very, very cool.
Whoa.
Did you step on a bug? Oh, you killed a beetle. You're a terrible human being.
I'm sorry.
You killed him. I think he was already dead. Half of his body's missing. Yeah, you're fine. Another 180. Super clean.
How do I look?
Next to a 180. You look good. I think it suits you. Parts 180, I guess. Another 180. There's a lot of 180s here. A lot of S chassis. S13s. Sylvia. Yo. Interior in this. Old school brown. Nice. And then over here, let's have a quick look at this S13 here. This is one of their customers' cars, and it is crazy clean. Probably the cleanest S13 I've seen in Japan, to be honest. The paint looks incredible. The interior is to die for. I hope this camera can show it, but it is practically brand new quality in there. It's insane. I've never seen an S chassis with such perfect interior. It's mind-blowing. It's got a CA18 in that too, babe. The baby RB. That's it. Hey, look at that. 2 points for you. Only 2 points. All right, 5. And then here, there's a purple 180. Yeah. We got a, what is this, babe? A Koki or a Zenki?
Zenki.
Zenki?
Koki.
Koki, that's right. Koki. It's not cookie, guys. It's Koki. It's pretty cool. Bit of an Ebisu missile, that's for sure. Really love this pink color though. That's nice. Nice pink S13. You like the purple though, don't you? May's really liking this purple.
You know why?
Why?
Because purple is army color.
Is it? Oh, I hate you. Did not just do a BTS reference. And a really nice pink JZX100. That looks sick. It's giving me bad ideas. Oh, that's actually a Mark II, isn't it? Yeah, that's sick. Nice yellow one here. And that pretty much sums out everything outside here, I think. There are some more cars in storage over there that we'll take a look at in a little bit. But there's some really cool stuff here. May, do you think they're ready to see this workshop?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they're ready for this.
Like, out of all the workshops you've ever seen, what do you think about this one?
This is awesome.
Right?
Yeah.
It's mind-blowing, right?
Yeah, mind-blowing. Quite honestly, I want one.
Right?
I don't even...
I'm a little bit jealous, not gonna lie. All right, let's show you guys inside because this is literally the dream garage. So the boys are pretty busy right now dropping an engine into a JZX, but this shop is so big. They have 4 hoists all here. How sick is the artwork on the wall? It's seriously the dream garage. This place is huge, and this isn't the only bit of space. It continues through there. They've also got a little shop cat, cutest thing ever. But I want to talk a little bit about some of the cars that are here. This one here is Feltzel's FD car. So he competes in Formula Drift Japan as well as Matty Hill. That's Matty Hill's car over there. Super cool to get up close and personal and just see these cars. It's just so sick. All the fab work is so nice. Running Wise Fab, DG5 suspension. Very cool. 2Js really sitting there quite nice, don't they? continues through here. This thing is a big deal. I'm pretty sure this is like regulation in so many different drifting competitions, like so that if the tail shaft ever like explodes or falls apart, it slips and falls in there and doesn't like cut up the chassis and kill the driver. Winter's quick change diff. Super sick. So many cool parts on this thing. Looks like they got the motor sitting in that thing now. And over here, so most of these cars are customers' cars that they're working on right now. And then up the back here is Maddie's car, which is very cool. I'm loving the radium setup in the rear. Maddie, if you're watching this, sick car, bro. Unfortunately though, a lot of international drivers probably aren't going to be able to make it to Japan FD this year. So if you are watching this, Maddie, I don't mind driving your car for you at FD. Can't make any promises, I won't destroy it. Anyways, super cool 2JZ in this as well. The interior is so clean for a com car, I love it. Still got the original dash in there, which is sick. The individual reservoirs and stuff like that. Running a Heltec. Love the livery, it looks so good with the purple, the pink, and all the different bright colors. So then coming from this section, we move into the paint booth. So temporarily, they've got this set up like this. They do have a full proper booth coming, but because of Corona and stuff, it's been delayed, and it's like, you know, they ordered it like months and months and months ago, but it still hasn't left the country where they ordered it from. I think it's coming from New Zealand. So they just temporarily kind of like set this up so that they could at least paint cars and stuff. But moving into here is kind of like where they've got a bunch of their spare parts at the moment. You can see they've got a whole bunch of stock here of NRG stuff, some car audio stuff, just heaps of stuff. Seats, doors, lights, arms, accessories, so much stuff. Intercoolers, just like all the spare parts you need, like when you go drifting, you break stuff, damage stuff. Ooh, this looks nice. What is this for? For JZX, I hope. Looks nice. Very, very cool. Whole bunch of spare engines, 2Js, 1Js, spare blocks. So cool. Yo, is that a spare Winters diff? Damn. Go quickly sneak that into my boot. Got some trannies, got some SR boxes by the looks of it. Very cool. And then we're coming back out here where the two Roadsters are, or MX-5s, and my Skyline. Very, very cool shop. The guys just quickly popped the hood for me on Maddie's car. Super clean. Pretty much the basic go-to FT setup, 2JZ, big turbo, strong transmission, Winters diff. Very, very cool. It's pretty much the go-to setup, literally. S15 with a 2J, big power, reliability. Good to see. Super good too. Is he running Wisefab too? Yeah, he is. So good. Such a nice car. This is totally like the kind of like car I'd love to set up for FD in the future when I finally get there. What diff is he running? Is he running a Winters? He sure is. Looks like a Winters with a Sicky backplate, which is pretty cool. Nice. Yo. That's cool. So see that adjustability there on the toe arm? That little adjustability plate there? That thing's really, really good for like increasing grip and toe and all that kind of stuff. Very sick.
You got a little friend there, Sam.
Yeah. They got the coolest little workshop cat. Used to be like a stray, and then just started following Phelps all around. So he ended up just keeping it.
Looks like he's gonna follow you.
Yeah, he has been following me around a lot. I think it's a she though. I don't know.
She cat.
She cat.
Hitting on you.
And then over here they have a little bit of a storage yard with some of their company cars and staff cars and stuff. But these ones here, we've got an S14, S15, JZX100, and a Mark II there. This JZX100 is definitely a bit of a missile. Gets down by the looks of it. Looks cool. Hell yeah, this thing's had some fun. Very nice. But one really cool thing, like I said, they have services at Ebisu Circuit. So not only do they have tons of space here to store cars, but you can also store cars at Ebisu Circuit. Now, the best thing about obviously storing stuff here is this whole place is on a 24-hour surveillance. There's video cameras, there's security guards that come here at night and everything. So there's like no way anyone could ever do anything dodgy here to your property or anything like that. So what you guys can do is purchase a car, store it here, and then when you want to fly over and go drifting at Ebisu Circuit, because it's only 40 minutes down the road, they'll organize to have the car ready for you, drop it off at Ebisu Circuit when you get there so that you can just shred. Or you can opt to have it stored at Ebisu Circuit as well. So very, very cool. And obviously, like I said, they've got huge plans for next year. So if you're definitely into drifting at Ebisu Circuit, you definitely want to make sure that you keep these guys on your radar because stuff's about to get really sick. So this is Felstal. And this is your shop, man.
Yeah, this is my shop, Sidex Japan. I don't know if you guys heard about before. So we started this shop last year.
Yep.
Officially this year on March, we opened the shop and we started working with these cars, heavy cars. We started build the drift cars.
Yep.
We work on normal cars, Japanese cars too. So yeah, we're doing support for drivers in Ebisu.
Yep.
We build cars, paint cars. We bring you guys to other tracks if you guys want to drive. We do whatever you guys want to do. So
very cool.
You guys are welcome to come to our shop anytime. Just contact Sidex Japan on the page or send email to us.
Yep.
And yeah, we can answer anything, help you guys out with anything in Japan.
Yeah.
Okay.
So good. Thank you so much, Felstal.
No problem.
So really this entire video has actually been a reveal video for May's first drift missile. And I'm so pumped to show you guys this. But here it is. Yee yee! All right, go do some donuts. Let's go. Put your foot on the accelerator. It might need a 2J swap.
What is it? Wait, what?
You got to put your foot on the yeah. Put it there. Put it on that.
I think I'm too heavy.
No. There it goes. There it goes. You're not too heavy, babe. Pro tip, boys always say that about your wife. Dude, do some donuts. Do some donuts. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Not left, babe. Right. Oh, okay. You got this. Clutch kick, clutch kick. I hope this thing still works afterwards. I don't know whose car we just commandeered, but that's pretty cool. What do you think? You think you're ready for the real deal? The red thing's over there waiting.
I'm ready for Ebisu tomorrow.
You ready for Ebisu tomorrow?
Yeah.
Look how slow I'm walking right now. So there you guys go. I really hope you enjoyed this walkthrough here at the Sidex Japan workshop. I'm honestly so excited to see other companies jump on board with this whole like, you know, experience drifting in Japan thing, because for the longest time, like there just really hasn't been like an easy way to go about it and cost-effective way to go about it. And now to see like a company like this come out and do something on this scale, especially with some of the plans that they shared with me for the future, is just absolutely unreal. And it's so exciting. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited for the future of drifting in Japan, for Ebisu Circuit and what's to come. And I really hope you guys are really pumped too. Definitely get in contact with the guys here at Sideways Experience and you know, find out pricing and all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in purchasing a car, I'm gonna put all their links down in the description. Make sure you let them know I sent you. But man, seriously, the workshop in here, goals. Like, when I finally get to a level where I can own my own shop over here and stuff like that, this is totally like how I want to do it. I'm so excited. Anyways, guys, smash that like button, write us a comment, make sure you go check out Sideways Experience on social media and on their website. And if you're interested in drifting here in Japan, who do you contact?
Sideways Experience.
So there you go. Looks like they just got a huge shipment of some Valino tires in too. So you guys know how much I love those tires. Anyways, with that, like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Get excited for the future, guys. Drifting in Japan has seriously never been easier and more affordable. Trust me. And I'll catch you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Jamata. I regret that. I broke the tree.
Walk this way.
a JZX chassis